All right, welcome to Math in a Minute, example of solving by factoring. So we are going to solve this first top equation, which is f of x is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 8. So when I'm finding a solution, again, I'm solving that for when it's equal to 0, because I'm looking for the place where it crosses the x-axis, since we call those roots or zeros. In all honesty, calling them solutions is a little risky, but we do it because really anything on the graph is a solution. But we are particularly looking for the 0, the root, the x-intercept that happens when that function is equal to 0. All right, so one of the first things to do is make absolutely sure that you know what b and c are. And then when we factor, we were looking for something that multiplies to be a plus 8 and adds to be a plus 6. So as you get good at this, you can use this x and just kind of do it in your head. Might take you a little practice before that, and I'm going to write out all the factors. So one way we can multiply to be plus 8 is we have 1 times 8, and we have 2 times 4. We also have minus 1 times minus 8, and minus 2 times minus 4. We're often going to need to know or use the fact that minus 1 times minus 8 is also a way to multiply to be plus 8. In this case, though, we need to add to be plus 6. And so we can see pretty easily that the two factors 2, 4 multiply to be 8 and add to be 6. And you can see that in the x pretty easily. So if we have 2 times 4, we get plus 8, and if we take plus 2 and we add plus 4, we get plus 6. Right, so that's our factored, those are our factors, and when we write factored form, you put these in exactly as they are. So this is a plus 2 and a plus 4. So our factored form is x plus 2 times x plus 4. The solutions, though, the place where this is equal to 0, so we have 0 is equal to x plus 2 times x plus 4. Essentially, x squared plus 6x plus 8 is equivalent to x plus 2 parentheses times x plus 4. If we want something to multiply to be 0, since this is two things, this is factor 1, times factor 2, if either one of these is equal to 0, then the equation is going to be 0. So we can look at the places where x plus 2 equals 0 and the place or the x coordinate where x plus 4 equals 0. And of course those happen at x equals minus 2, that's x1, and x2 equals minus 4. So our two solutions are at minus 4, 0, and minus 2, 0. And it's always going to be true that when you write the factor, it's going to have the opposite sign of the actual solution. All right, and then the last thing is we want a FOIL to check our answer. And so I'll use black just to make it a little different. If I say that f of x is equal to x plus 2 times x plus 4, when I distribute that, I need to multiply the x by both terms in x plus 4, and I need to multiply the plus 2 times both terms in x plus 4. And so that gives me x squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 8, which is x squared plus 6x plus 8. And that does check. And I know this feels like extra time and extra writing, but it's really helpful because it's actually very easy to make mistakes when you factor. All right, so that's it. See you next time for the next quick solution.